Today I'm so excited because we are going to be testing out the HTVRONT D2 DTF printer. And I'm going to show you the entire process from start to finish. We're going to print our designs on the DTF film, bake the transfers, and then press them onto several adorable baby items. By the end of this video, we are going to have a beautiful matching baby collection, including a custom onesie, a cute little drawstring bag, a soft pillow, and a reusable tote bag. If you've been curious about DTF printing and wondering whether it's easy to use, how vibrant the colors are, and what kind of projects you can make, you are in the right place. I'll be sharing my honest experience, tips I learned along the way, and of course the final results. So grab your favorite drink and let's see if the HTVRONT D2 can turn these beautiful baby designs into professional quality creations. Let's get started.
So this is the HTVRONT D2 printer. One thing you'll notice right away is the ink system. Here are all of the inks along with the white ink, which is probably the most important one for DTF printing. You'll actually notice that every so often the printer automatically circulates the white ink. Back here is where the foam roll is loaded, and it fits smoothly through the printer while you're working. Let me open it so you can see what the inside looks like. Everything is really easy to access whenever you need to do maintenance or just want to see what's happening inside. Now let's move over to the computer. I'm using the HTVRONT software to prepare today's designs. I already have my baby graphics ready, but before printing, I'm resizing them, arranging them on the sheet and making sure everything looks exactly how I want it. Once everything is set, all I have to do is hit print. Now the fun part begins. You can see the printer laying down all of the colors first, and then it automatically prints a solid layer of white ink behind the design. That white backing is what allows these prints to look bright and vibrant on almost any fabric color. It's honestly really satisfying to watch the whole process. Once the print is finished, I simply trim the section I'm going to use. Now comes the adhesive powder. I'm covering the entire printed area, making sure every bit of the wet ink is coated. Then I gently shake off the excess powder. Next, it goes into the curing oven. After a few minutes, the adhesive melts and cures onto the design. And just like that, our transfer is completely finished and ready to heat press. Now, let's decorate everything. We'll start with the baby onesie. I position the transfer, press it, let it cool, peel the film, and look at that. The colors are so vibrant and the print feels incredibly soft. Next up is the decorative pillow. This one is perfect for a nursery. After pressing it, the design looks super crisp and really stands out on the fabric. Now let's personalize this tote bag. I love this idea because it can be used to carry diapers, bottles, extra clothes, toys, basically all those baby essentials parents always need to bring along. After pressing, it looks absolutely adorable. Last, but definitely not least, this little drawstring towel bag. This could be the perfect for little accessories, baby socks, pacifiers, or even a small gift bag. A quick press, peel, and it's finished.
Alright, so here are all the finished projects, and I have to say, I think they turned out so cute. I love how vibrant all the colors are, and the details came out really nice. Everything transferred really well, from the baby onesie to the little drawstring bag, the pillow, and the tote bag. They honestly look so professional, and I can definitely see myself making a lot more projects like this. Overall, I really enjoyed using the HTVRONT D2. The print quality is great, the colors are beautiful, and the printing, baking, and pressing process, it's actually pretty simple. Like with any new machine, there's a little bit to learn at first, but after that, it becomes part of the workflow. One of my favorite things is that you're not limited to just t-shirts. You can customize so many different things, which is something I really love because I'm always making different kinds of projects. Whether you are creating personalized gifts or products for your small business, there are just so many possibilities. I had a lot of fun making these baby items, and I already have so many more ideas for future projects. If you want to check out the HTVRONT D2 for yourself, I'll leave the link down in the description below so you can take a look. And if you enjoyed hanging out with me today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future sewing, DIY, and crafting videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!